Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about the resolve method in the promise. So what it does is it returns a promise object that is resolved within the given value, and the value is a promise, as you know, and the promise will be returned if the value is thenable. That means it has a then method, dot then method, and it gonna follow up to the thenable and adopting its eventual state. Otherwise, it return the promise without being fulfilled with a value. Yeah, it's called promise, but it can't be resolved sometimes, so it doesn't matter anymore. So the function flattens with nested layers of promise like objects. So it have like those characteristic, which is promise, which like example, like the promise that revolves to a promise that resolved something into a single layer, of course. So let's begin. So what I'm gonna do is create a variable called promise1 equals promise dot resolve, and after that pass 123, and promise1 dot then, and so what I'm gonna do now is just use the fatal function value and the allow, and after that log it on a console the value. So when we do that, it's gonna give you what the heck, there is something, oh what the, why did happening every time, yeah, 123. So hope you guys understand. This is how we resolve the promises. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.